Transformation is happening at the Murtha Johnstown-Cambria County Airport. No longer just a regional airfield, KJST has become Pennsylvania's launchpad for aviation innovation, workforce development, and economic revitalization. With support from federal and state leaders and by leveraging DCED programs, the Johnstown Airport has evolved into a multifunctional innovation hub. The airport's 130-acre Keystone Opportunity Zone, a Pennsylvania Department of Community Economic Development designation, has attracted aerospace and technology firms to the region. Partners like SkyWest Airlines have expanded operations at the airport, bringing high-paying technical jobs to the Southern Alleghenies region. In 2026, Phase 1 of the Innovation Center will break ground, featuring a maintenance, repair, and overhaul facility and incubator space. The facility will house remote operating center operations, electric vertical takeoff and landing charging stations, repair facilities, and advanced training labs. It will also expand the state's capacity for autonomous aircraft, ground, and water-based systems testing and development, while serving as a state anchor for the self-sustaining AAM systems. Through Aerium's collaboration with several electric vertical takeoff and landing manufacturers, KJST is preparing for aviation-grade electrification and eVTOL charging infrastructure that positions Pennsylvania at the forefront of sustainable aviation. KJST was just announced as the state's first advanced air mobility site, positioning the region at the forefront of aviation technology and AAM deployment. This state designation, championed by Senator Wayne Langerholtz, signals that Pennsylvania intends for Johnstown to serve as the testbed for advanced air mobility technology and workforce development. Additionally, Drone 814, the nation's first operational beyond visual line of sight medical delivery network, is redefining rural emergency medical response in establishing a replicable model for communities across the U.S. Founded in 2023 and headquartered at KJST, Aerium has become a central force in building a sustainable aviation ecosystem in the Commonwealth, connecting education, workforce, infrastructure, industry, and government. Furthermore, Aerium worked with the Pennsylvania Department of Education to implement 6 new aviation CIP codes. Aerium also partnered with AOPA, Choose Aerospace, and other leading curriculum providers to help schools, districts, CTCs, and workforce boards expand aviation career pathways. Aerium's work at KJST aligns with the U.S. DOT's Advanced Air Mobility Integration Strategy and positions Pennsylvania to compete for future federal AAM and electrification funding. By leveraging programs like Pennsylvania's Educational Improvement Tax Credit, Aerium has secured funding to support schools and students, providing resources that strengthen aviation education and workforce readiness. Statewide partnerships with more than 50 schools and CTCs show how rapidly workforce development can scale when education and industry move together. Clear pathways now lead students directly into high-demand aviation manufacturing careers, and the biannual Aerium Summit brings these innovations together to demonstrate how Pennsylvania can lead the nation. At KJST, students and adults will train on live systems. Post-secondary institutions will certify ROC technicians. Universities will conduct research. Industry hires, not for the future, but for today. The airport, thanks to collaborative efforts, is now home to St. Francis University's expanded flight and maintenance programs, Knowlton Aviation Flight Academy, and the SkyWest Pilot Training Program, providing direct pathways to commercial aviation careers, on-field hotel development to support students, airline crews, and researchers, ATA Aviation and Drone 814 headquarters. Horizon Aerobotics is expanding its presence in Pennsylvania by anchoring its U.S. Remote Operations Center at the KJST Center for Aerospace Innovation. By 2028, the company plans to bring nearly 250 highly skilled jobs supporting a regional drone network for diverse applications. KJST is the prototype for Pennsylvania's statewide aviation innovation and workforce development integration infrastructure. With the PA Sites grant application submitted, the next step is completing the remaining phases of the KJST Innovation Center. What we are proving in Johnstown can be replicated across Pennsylvania, transforming regional air force into innovation hubs connected through shared infrastructure, training pipelines, and advanced air mobility operations. Every piece of this project, from the Innovation Center to Drone 814, has been built with one purpose: to show what Pennsylvania can achieve when education, government, and industry move together. The tools that the DCED provides have helped the collaborative team at the Johnstown Airport create a blueprint for statewide success. Johnstown Airport has the momentum. Aerium has the partnerships. Now, we need the full support of PA's leadership, including the Department of Community and Economic Development, to finish the build of the Innovation Center and complete the vision. With DCED's partnership, Johnstown can complete the Innovation Center and solidify the statewide model for advanced aviation, workforce development, and regional revitalization. At KJST, Aerium and our partners are positioning Pennsylvania to lead the next wave of advanced aviation. This year, we move from demonstrations to permanent infrastructure and scaled operations. Construction is beginning on the RJ Innovation Hangar Innovation Center, creating new capacity for regional jet maintenance, advanced technical services, and workforce expansion. When Phase 1 opens in early 2027, regional carriers plan to begin overnight maintenance operations, fully utilizing the new facility and strengthening KJST as a commercial and defense-aligned technical hub. New aviation manufacturing and safety projects are also preparing to build on the airfield. With development activity targeted to start as early as 2026, engineering and planning are already in motion. At the same time, a major research university is partnering with Aerium on medical delivery, autonomous patient movement, and next-generation emergency logistics, establishing KJST as a proving ground for autonomous medical response. Work is also advancing with defense and public sector partners to expand drone development, remote operations, and integrated airspace management. Electric aircraft charging, medical drone logistics, and planning for next-generation propulsion systems continue to move forward. And across the region, partnerships with schools, technical centers, universities, and aviation training institutions are building a direct workforce pipeline in maintenance, autonomous systems, remote operations, and potentially air traffic control. This is the pivotal year. Infrastructure is rising, operators are committing long-term, workforce pipelines are scaling, and capital investment is accelerating. KJST is transforming into a statewide center for advanced aviation innovation. Pennsylvania isn't waiting for the future of aviation. We are building it now. And with support from the Shapiro-Davis administration and DCED, these shovel-ready projects can move rapidly from committed interest to fully deployed impact.